guys. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Boss Elite. And today we got something special in the bed of this truck. Now you may wonder, what the hell is underneath these guys? Well, we got ourselves a toolbox, boys, and it's going to look very nice. It's a pretty decent sized toolbox, and I got this because I have tools and toe straps and everything you could possibly think of in the back seat of the truck. Take this toolbox and install it. Alrighty, so I just washed out the bed just to make sure it's all nice and clean. Now, all I'm gonna do is just cut this wrapping off, and that's gonna leave us just the toolbox itself. Then we can, once we cut that off, we could actually just fit it right on there. Alrighty guys, so she is all unboxed. Now all we gotta do is just take this box and put it in the bed. Craftsman makes it pretty easy. All you have to do is just take the washer and the nut and the U-bolt that they give you. So your U-bolt actually hooks up underneath the bed, on the lip of your bed. So now all I gotta do is just tighten these down. Alrighty guys, so all the hardware is installed. This thing is unlocked. And there we are. That is the toolbox. We have just enough clearance between the back windows so we don't have to worry about that. And yeah, this thing looks clean, guys. I really like it. Now I have plenty of storage for tools or straps or anything like that. And it just conveniently just shuts. And then you could lock it on the driver's side. That really looks clean, guys. Alrighty guys, that concludes today's video on the toolbox install. Please give this video a like and subscribe to Quad Boss Elite. And there are going to be plenty more videos to come, especially with this toolbox now. I plan to start riding the quads more as it starts cooling down, so stay tuned for that, and we'll catch you on the next one.